right, hello, Algebra 1 class. It's Miss Odell, and today we're going to be on lesson 1.4, which is in your textbook on starts on page 12. And we are going to be evaluating expressions. And remember, an expression is something that does not have an equal sign. But you are going to be using substitution to solve these. All right, for example, if you are given the expression x squared plus xy, but you are also given the value of x equals 4, the value of y equals 5. So you would take the value of x and substitute it in for the x, which is 4 squared plus the value of x times the value of y. And then you're basically going to solve, which 4 squared is 16 plus 20, and your answer is 36. So when I say you cannot solve an expression, you cannot solve an expression unless you know the value of the x and the y. But you can solve an equation. Let's do another one. So you have n times m plus m. Okay, so we're going to substitute. The value of n is 3, m is 1 plus 1. So you're going to solve what's on the inside first. 1 plus 1 is 2 times 3, and your answer is 6. Okay, this time it's a little harder, but you have the value of x, y, and z here at the top, and so the first thing you're going to do is rewrite your problem by substituting. So I have the value of 2, the value of x is 4, so I'm going to put that in parentheses because I'm multiplying. The value of y is 3, plus the value of x is 4, times the value of z, which is 2, and that is squared, plus the value of y is 3, the value of x is 2. So make sure you understand I got this y here from the 3, from the y equals 3. I got this z from here, z equals 2. All right, so I'm going to start here. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24, plus you're going to do the square here, which 2 times 2 is 4, and that'd be 16, plus 3 times 2 is 6. Now you've got a much simpler problem here to solve, and you're simply just going then to add these together, and you are going to get 46, I think. 24, be 30, 40, yep, 46, and that's your answer. So your answer will not include a variable. It will be a constant or a natural whole number, okay? All right, let's do another example. Say this time it's the same. X equals 4, y equals 3, and z equals 2. This time our equation is going to be like this. 5y squared minus 5z. Notice there is no x's in this expression, so we don't have to worry about the value of x here. But we know that we're going to bring our 5 down. The value of y is 3, and that is squared, minus 5 times z is 2. All right, so you want to do what's inside, or actually your exponent first, which is 5 times 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 9 is 45, minus 10, and your answer is 35. Make sure you guys all get in the habit of circling your answer so that I can find those answers. All right, we're going to do another one. So if you need to pause right here, pause, and then I'm going to, well, I can just move it over here like this. All right, we're going to do another one. This time, let's say we have x squared plus 2y over 4y minus x. All right, so I'm going to do my substitution. So x squared would be 4 squared minus 2 times y, which is 3. Put my division sign. 4 times y is 3, minus x, which is 4, okay? So I'm going to do my multiplication here first. So 4 times 4 is 16 minus 6 over 3 times 4 is 12 minus 4. Now, 16 minus 6 is 10. 12 minus 4 is 8. I messed up some. All right, so then you have 10 over 8, and you can reduce. However, I would not mark it wrong if you did leave it without it being reduced. But you don't want to change it to a mixed fraction. You want to leave it as an improper fraction. Okay, so basically what you're doing, we'll do one more. This time, let's say we're going to use the same. X equals 4, y equals 3, z equals 2. This time we're going to do x minus z to the 4th power. All right, so x is 4, z is 2 to the 4th power. So 4 minus 2 is 2 to the 4th power, and then when you go 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, you get 16, and that is your answer, okay? All right, so please let me know if you have questions, and your assignment for today is going to be your assignment is going to be on page 14. You're going to do 5 through 10. Okay? Make sure you show your work and your substitution there. So you're going to do 5 through 10 on page 14. Let me know if you have any questions.